Ready? Start. In India, we have taken the socialist path. Our socialism does not envisage choking of private initiative. In fact, we have stood and we do stand now for a mixed economy in which both the public and the private sector are active. We do not want the state to do everything because, apart from this not being possible, the state is not able to undertake everything. It is also not desirable for the state to do everything. What then is our socialism? It means that the state takes upon itself the responsibility for wiping out poverty, for initiating steps which will increase production, for modernizing our economy by establishing key modern industries, for enforcing social purpose in all economic activities, for reducing disparities and setting right the historic inequalities between different classes and different regions, and in particular for checking and preventing the growth of monopoly. Now, all these are the responsibility of the state, but they are also the responsibility of industry and of all those who are interested in the growth of the nation. As I shared just a short while ago to another meeting in this city, that whatever steps we are taking now or whatever steps we may take are all not with a view to trying to fit into a particular policy or a particular ideology. The policy and the ideology itself are made for very practical reasons and to meet the needs of the people. It is when social disparities increase that we have social tensions. It is when there is social tension that problems of law and order and instability and insecurity arise. So, these problems of inequalities, of disparities, of meeting the rising expectations of the people are all too very much a part of the industrial scene, and unless we can deal with them, we cannot even advance industrially. This task, which is so enormous, cannot be accomplished unless everyone, every section, does play its part. We have the problem of educated unemployment. It has arisen partly because our industrial development and other development projects have not been able to keep pace with the rising number of educated young people. Another reason, though small, is that many of our educated young people wish to have only a particular type of job. They would like to work in particular places and cities rather than in villages, on the mainland rather than on remote islands or in the hills. So, we have a situation where we have areas in India which are in need of engineers, of doctors, of mechanics, and many other such specialized people. This lead to new problem of unemployment in the country. Stop.